Welcome to Mind Map. Today let's talk about 10 digital skills to learn in 2022. If you are looking for a career in technology, the future is looking bright. Digital skills that were once considered cutting edge are now becoming everyday tools for professionals. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and secure your future in today's increasingly digital world, here are some of the most important digital skills to learn in 2022. 1. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the future of the digital skills market. While it is still in its early stages, the skill set has already become one of the most sought after in the world. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to machines that learn and act on their own without being explicitly programmed. The technology has been around for decades, but it's only recently that AI has become a household name due to its rapid adoption by major companies and startups alike. AI can be used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, robotics, manufacturing, and finance. As such, it isn't surprising that it has been named one of the top skills to learn by many industry leaders, including LinkedIn and Glassdoor. 2. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms can be used to predict future events, classify objects, and make decisions. The term machine learning was first coined by Arthur Samuel in 1959. It gained popularity in the 1980s after research showed how neural networks could be trained to solve complex problems. Machine learning is now used in a wide range of applications in industry, science, and medicine, such as predictive analytics, predicting future events based on current patterns. 3. Cybersecurity. The prevalence of cyber attacks has made it necessary to learn all we can about cybersecurity. Whether you're looking to advance in your career or simply want to avoid having your personal data stolen, there are several ways you can improve your knowledge of cybersecurity. Start by learning the basics. Learn how hackers gain access to our devices, how they use their access, and how they can be detected and removed from systems. The more familiar you are with these things, the better equipped you'll be for keeping yourself safe online. Try out some tutorials. If you're looking for a place where you can start learning more about information security, and not just cybersecurity, check out Cybrary's free online course on information security fundamentals. It covers everything from passwords to encryption and more. Consider taking an accredited certificate program in cybersecurity management at an accredited university like Drexel University Online. With this kind of education under your belt, employers will see that not only do you have plenty of experience working with sensitive data, but also that this field interests you both professionally and personally. 4. E-commerce. E-commerce is the process of selling goods or services online. It entails creating an online store and connecting it to payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and others. You can also sell your products on marketplaces like Amazon instead of creating your own store. 5. Data science. Data science is the application of statistical analysis, data visualization, machine learning, and data mining to extract meaningful information from large sets of data. It employs methods and techniques drawn from many fields within the broad areas of mathematics, statistics, computing science, and scientific disciplines such as physics or biology. Data science deals with the extraction, or mining, of knowledge from large datasets using statistical techniques such as regression analysis. Data scientists use algorithms that allow them to sift through massive amounts of data in order to identify trends and make predictions about future outcomes based on known information. Data scientists work in a wide variety of industries ranging from healthcare to finance to retail. However, most positions require an advanced degree in computer science or a related field like business analytics or applied mathematics. 6. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad term that covers many areas. It can be used to promote a business, product, or service and is often used by companies to help them reach out to potential customers. Digital marketing is more than just advertising, though. It also includes search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, social media, and content creation. There are several reasons why digital marketing is so popular with businesses today. One of its biggest benefits is that you can reach a large audience through the internet if you use the right tools at your disposal. This means that your message can reach people all over the world without having to spend much money in doing so. 7. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a method of storing and accessing data, software, and other computer resources on remote servers rather than locally. Cloud computing allows users to access these resources from any location through a web browser, smartphone, or another device. The benefits of cloud computing include reduced cost of hardware ownership. Users do not need to purchase and maintain expensive computer equipment like servers or workstations. Instead, they simply pay for the time that their resource is being used by others. Increased uptime and maintainability. Because users don't have physical control over the hardware themselves, cloud providers can make sure that it's always operational without having to worry about any maintenance issues on their end, in addition to regular updates being applied automatically so you're always up to date with the latest software versions, plus you don't need to worry about making backups either. 8. Content writing. Content writing is another skill that's in high demand, and it can be learned. Content writers are responsible for creating content across all mediums, from blog posts to white papers to emails. You could apply your writing skills to any industry, from healthcare to marketing and everything in between. You can also specialize in content writing by becoming an SEO copywriter who specializes in writing copy that will rank well on Google search engine results pages, SERPs. 9. Graphic designing. Graphic design is visual art that combines illustration and photography to create or communicate ideas. Graphic designers use typography, photography, and illustration to produce visual concepts and materials. Graphic design can be described as the process of developing communication materials, example, print or digital, using conceptual thinking, problem solving, and production skills. An important aspect of graphic design involves maintaining the balance between form and function in any given situation. The form generally refers to how something appears on a page, function is what it does for the user or client. 10. Video and audio editing. Video and audio editing is a great skill to have. It can be used for a variety of purposes, from entertainment to education. Entertainment, you can edit videos and audio files to create short films or podcasts, which could be used on social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Education, if you're interested in teaching others how to do something based on your own experience, video and audio editing are the perfect tools for recording your tips. And if you don't want anyone else seeing how much time you spent making that perfect how-to video, and let's be honest, you probably shouldn't, there are plenty of other reasons why this skill might come in handy. In conclusion, we can say that the future of digital skills is bright. It seems that there are more and more jobs available for people with these skills. However, it's not just about technology, some skills are much more important than others in order to succeed in the world today. We've seen how important it is to know artificial intelligence or machine learning because they will likely affect every aspect of our lives over time. On top of that, cybersecurity has become an increasingly urgent issue as well thanks to cyber attacks like WannaCry or NotPetya, which have hit companies worldwide recently, one example being Maersk, who had operations disrupted after their systems were hit.